Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Student, today I am going to start or explain about the heating curve of water. Heating curve of water. Now, here this one, OX is x-axis and this one is a y-axis. Okay, now here OX in x-axis heat absorb is plotted and in y-axis temperature is plotted. Okay, heat absorb and temperature. Now look at this curve: AB, BC, CD, DE and EF. Now AB, CD and EF. These are this one AB, CD and EF. These indicates the change in temperature, of a substance. Okay, AB, CD and EF. This indicates the change in temperature. So change in temperature, which formula we will use? Q equal to MC delta T. Okay, but BC, DE, BC and DE, this indicate change in phase or change in state. Means solid convert into liquid convert into gas. Okay, this one BC and DE. Okay, now look at this. Here at this level, at this point, at A, the heat is 0 and temperature is also 0. When we going up, the temperature is increases. When going to this side, heat is increases. Now look at this. Here, if you right now, this is the 0 degree temperature. So before that, temperature is negative. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 and rises up to 1100. Now look at this. At this level, the temperature of the substance is negative. For example, ice. This is the ice. At this level, point A, the ice temperature is minus 50 degrees centigrade. If you give heat at this point, some heat is supplied, then what happened? The temperature will increases, heat supplied, then temperature will increases. After supplying at this level some more heat, the temperature of the ice becomes 0 degree. And if you supply more heat, then the temperature of the ice is 0 degree, but this ice will melt. So this indicates the solid part of this one indicate the solid part. Okay, that ice is solid. This at this point minus 50 degree temperature of the ice, temperature increases by heat absorb. So at the point 0 degree, the ice temperature is 0 degree after getting this much heat. But if you increase more heat, then this ice start melting. So from here to here, the ice start melting. Okay, so this will indicate the melting of a solid or melting of a ice. Okay, so BC indicates melting. Now after giving heat to this much, what happened? The ice melt. So this this till this one, this indicates it is liquid. Okay. Now if you increase more heat here, increase heat, more heat, okay, giving heat, then what happens? The temperature of the ice here 0 degree temperature increases here. When the temperature of the liquid become 100 at this point, 100, then the liquid part start evaporating, and after reaching this point, the temperature, if the liquid temperature become 100, then the liquid start boiling. So this curve will tell about the boiling. And from here at a fixed temperature, the water start convert into gas. Okay, so this one indicates that rise in temperature. Okay, this one indicates the boiling. Okay, change of state. This one also change of state. Now look at this. Here some examples are given. Here time is given, and this side temperature is given. Now the ice melt. This indicate. Look at this straight line. The blue line, straight line. Ice melting of ice. This indicates rise in temperature. This indicates boiling. Straight line means change of state. This one straight line, melting, change of state, but this will indicates the boiling. This change of temperature. Here one more example is given. Here AB indicates the change of state. CD is also indicates change of state, but from here to here, change of temperature. This BC is also change of temperature. Okay, now look at this. Here one more example, one more figure is there. AB indicates change of temperature. BC indicates change of state, and CD indicate change of temperature. Okay.